Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. If you want to updated price, another information, be sure check my description below. So, we jump the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button. Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch. Display type, Super-AMOLED. Battery, Li-ion, 21 days battery backup. Connectivity, Bluetooth version 5.1. Material, aluminum dial. Leather or silicon or TPU strap. Material, aluminum dial. Leather or silicon or TPU strap. OS ISO version, 𝐓𝐴. Classic navigation crown. Health, Easy 24 health management. Sensor, accelerometer sensor, barometer sensor, gyro sensor, light sensor, optical heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, blood pressure monitor, dimension 45.8 x 45.8 x 10.8, weight 42.00 grams, others, speaker, microphone, voice control. Color type, 1, gold, 2, silver. Thanks for watching my video. Everyone subscribe my YouTube channel all unique.